Let's go over how to bring VoiceThread into your new course. So here I am in the course that I'm going to be teaching on the home page. I'm going to go to Settings, Import Course Content, and I'm going to select Copy a Canvas Course. Now I need to find the course that I taught last semester, so I'm going to type the name in here. If you're looking for a course from an earlier semester that has already been completed, be sure to click this box. There's my course. I can either select all content to bring in everything or select content if I choose. And of course I can adjust the due dates so that it's ready for the new semester. I click Import, and then I can choose which content I want. So if I want to do a copy of this course and bring everything in, I can. If I don't want the announcements, for example, I can uncheck that box, and so on. If I just want to bring VoiceThread into a new course, I'm going to choose LTI External Tools as the thing I want to bring in. So this will bring in my VoiceThread installation so I can use it in other classes, but none of the content. When you're done, click Select Content, and you will see that your request is running, and in a few seconds, it should be completed. And then you will have VoiceThread in your new course.